thinking maybe work on pitching a bit more if we could.
You want to work on pitching?
I was doing the pitching again, and it's those off keys that it throws me off a bit.
All right, cool. Because
my head gets stuck in the scale, so once I hit that first note, I'm in that scale. So once you hit that half note, it's like
because we did pitching last week, so I wanted to sort of leave
it next week.
2 weeks, but we can do it. We can do it. Let's just spend a little bit of time on it. Then we might have a sing as well too, because I think it's better just to go off and do it. But let's do this first and foremost, Shan, because I haven't done this with you. I'm going to warm your ear. I'm just going to do the octave with numbers before we do this. Just a quick run through. I'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Me and you, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big smile, 6, 7, 8. Shall let me get the back of the head.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good. Let's get your mouth working a bit more, Shane. A bit more of a smile. 6, 7, 8. So we've got to reach, go a little bit louder towards that. You've got to couple up your sleeves still, and then you're going to flip it to falsetto, okay, towards the end.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Falsetto now, Shannon, at the top. So we struggled a little bit towards the top there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's flip it to falsetto. I'm going to give you this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good work, Shane. Did you always have this piercing in the middle of your lip there?
Yeah, it's hides in the back, but
I just noticed it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Big smile, 6, 7, 8. Shane, a bit louder on 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Smile that last one for me, Shan.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Smile on the last one. Keep the true voice. I reckon you got 2 in true voice here at least. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3 was a bit pitchy then. I'd be doing just 2 in falsetto. This is the last one anyway, Shane. It's just to get your ear in for the pitching.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stuck underneath that scale a little bit, stuck underneath that smile on it, on top of it. I'll be saying 1 and 1 or 2 and 2 here, Shannon.
So
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, or 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever you feel you want to do, but it'll be either 1 and 1 or 2 and 2.
1, 2.
Whatever you feel, maybe 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I felt we stuck underneath again that scale. I'm going to bring you back down one, Shan. Hear me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Man, your big smile on your 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more, Shan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You get pitchy on you went back
Yeah.
on 3, I'd be going back on 2 or
Yeah.
1, Shan. Hear me? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll do the whole thing up and down, but I'll just be doing the last note in true voice. Everything else is falsetto.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was falsetto. That's falsetto all the way through. That's okay. It's as long as we're getting the right notes, because it's really just getting your ear working.